Hello and welcome back. Haha, it's me again, Ryan. On this channel, I react to stuff from Germany, okay? And I thought you guys might enjoy this real quick before the video. This is what I had for lunch today. This is like the only hot pretzel you can buy here in America in the grocery market. What do you think? How legit is that? That's like the only one. I'll tell you though, they're good. I mean, to me, they're good. You guys probably think that looks like crap. Anyway, let's watch German versus English animal sounds. You know, I thought they all sounded the same no matter where they were in the world. But let's see. Bear.
Bear?
I don't even know what a bear is.
No.
Yeah, what would a bear would be like.
I don't make a bear sound now. I mean, I could, but that would be weird.
One they have here is growl.
Growl. Oh yeah, but
But a dog can do that too, so.
you can't do that. Yeah.
That noise was making me think that my phone was ringing.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lamblike. I make videos where I compare German language and German culture with American English, American culture. And since I'm dating a German, I've laughed so hard when I heard one of these differences, so I know which one I'm waiting
I'm excited.
for.
Okay.
So I found a list on Google, so we're gonna go through it. A bee.
Zum zum.
That's so cute! Really? Oh. Ours is zzz.
Some. Okay. I'm gonna try and hear that. Next time I have a bee buzzing in my ear.
Bird.
Peep.
Oh.
Beep. I don't even know how to do a bird. It depends on the bird. Usually they're like chirp, 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 chirp. I guess chirp. Chirp, chirp.
I'm gonna be making the same sound throughout this whole thing.
You also say Piepmatz in
What?
German. Piepmatz. It's
Piepmatz.
like a slang word for vogel.
We say chirp chirp.
Chirp chirp. Chirp chirp.
Beep beep.
Peep peep.
It's like little candies, the peeps. Is that why they're called peeps? Are they German? Is this a German?
It's kind of funny because chirp is a word, you know, like it's not actually what a bird sounds like if you think about it. Chirp, chirp. They chirp and they go, but they also sing.
Company peeps.
Peeps? Never heard of that.
The candy, you bought it. You brought home peeps one day.
Really?
You don't even know.
Oh, the marshmallow peeps.
Yeah.
Oh no, you don't get it in Germany.
Oh, okay. So you had
This
no
is-
idea what you were buying.
No.
Oh.
But it was very delicious.
Really?
Yeah, it
They're
was
like
really good.
pure sugar marshmallows. Oh, those are Easter. That's right. That's an
Easter,
Easter thing. Cat.
Meow.
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 It's funny you spell it different. It looks a lot more fancy spelled that way. Meow.
Meow. Or you
It's a
say
fancy cat.
M-E-O-W, right? Meow.
Yeah.
Meow.
What do you?
We say M-I-A-U.
Oh.
Meow. Meow meow.
Cow.
The cow. Moo.
Moo.
Moo macht die Kuh.
Moo macht die Kuh.
What is moo macht die Kuh? Moo goes the cow. Ah, moo macht die Kuh.
Oh, that's adorable. German is so cute. Baby chicken. Chick.
A chick? Chirp? Or a baby? I don't know.
Baby chicken. Peep peep.
Cheep cheep.
Cheep cheep.
Okay, yeah.
Chicken.
Cluck.
There's two. There's the girl chicken and the boy chicken. One's a rooster.
The rooster makes kikeriki. Kikeriki.
Kikeriki. That's so like long and complicated to me.
Wait, what? Kikikuriki.
Chicken and the boy chicken. One's a rooster.
The rooster makes kikeriki.
Kikuriki.
Kikeriki.
Kikeriki. That's so like long and complicated to me.
You can pretty much make an animal sound like anything, huh? I feel like next time I hear it, I'm gonna hear that. Kikuriki.
But I guess ours is also cockle-doodle-doo.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Cockle-doodle-doo.
But the chicken,
It's cluck.
cluck.
Cluck, cluck.
I have to go to a farm.
Cricket. The little insect. Oh,
There
yeah.
is no
How do you... I can't make a cricket sound.
word for it.
Really?
I don't know.
Germans, let us
I'm-
know down below. Is there a sound for cricket in German?
I'm too long in America.
Dog.
Well,
She never even said what the American was. I don't think.
Down below. Is there a sound for cricket in German?
I'm too long in America.
Dog.
Woof.
Wow, wow.
Wow, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. Okay.
Oh, woof, woof.
Oh, the first one's so cute. We say ruff ruff
Ruff, ruff.
or bark bark.
Bark, bark.
Or woof, woof.
Wir sagen bellen. Der Hund bellt.
Bellen. Duck.
Quack, quack.
Is that German? Or is that the English?
Quack, quack. Yeah.
Similar. Quack quack. The one for eagle.
That's funny. It just has like a German accent, or the American just has an American accent. That's the only difference. Quack, quack.
German? Or is that the English?
Quack, quack. Yeah.
Quack,
Similar. Quack quack. The one for
quack,
eagle.
quack.
Eagles.
Eagle? I don't know what an eagle
Just scream.
Tree.
scream.
Oh, whoops. Sound does a horse make?
Horse. Oh, God. I can make a horse. Sound.
In English, it's neigh.
Oh. Yeah. That's, yeah. Nay.
Hey?
Neigh.
What? You say hua when you wanna.
Like giddy up.
Yeah.
We say giddy up.
I think that, I don't think the horse cares what you say, so.
Hummingbird? You don't even have hummingbirds in Germany.
Hummingbirds.
Do you? I heard that you guys don't.
I haven't seen a hummingbird in Germany, but I don't know if there are hummingbirds. But I like the
I don't know what sound.
sound of hummingbirds. It's like this.
It hums,
It hums.
which is that sound.
That would make sense.
A pig.
Oink, oink.
Oink oink.
Okay, that's the same. Oink oink. A snake.
A snake. I have no idea.
Hiss.
Yes. Oh, because of the tongue. Yeah. I don't know. What's with a donkey?
Oh yeah.
Ee-haw.
Oh yeah. Okay, we have it too. It's the same. Ee-ah. Ee-ah. Oh wait, there's the one that I'm forgetting. The one that I love the most
It's the owl.
is a sheep.
The sheep.
Bah.
Meh.
Meh. Yeah. Yeah. Bah. Meh.
This one I find so funny.
I think that's pretty similar.
Meh. In English, do you know what it is? A sheep. Ba.
Yeah. Sometimes, yeah.
Ba ba.
Sometimes it depends on if the sheep goes bah, meh, bah.
A black sheep. Have you any wool?
I think the most interesting thing is like just seeing how humans interpret the same sound in completely different parts of the world. They're like, yeah, that's meh.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, 3 bags full.
How do you know this? What? You have this in Germany.
What does an owl make?
Owl.
Oh, an owl. Oh yeah, hoot. I think it's hoot.
Hoot.
Hooters?
Oh yeah,
They have the old.
the logo,
The logo
is an
is the
owl.
logo, yeah.
Hooters.
I want to go to Hooters.
Yeah.
Do you have a cuckoo?
What's that?
Cuckoo? It makes cuckoo.
Old MacDonald had a farm. But I think we said most of those now.
What does the fox say?
Is that a song?
Ask Siri.
What?
Gobble gobble. Turkey.
Oh, the turkey. Oh yeah, the Thanksgiving thing. Did you know that? Gobble gobble.
Gobble gobble is like guru guru.
Goo goo.
Oh yeah, the Thanksgiving thing. Did you know that? Gobble gobble.
Gobble gobble is like guru guru.
Is that
Guru. Guru?
what they make in
I
Germany?
think it's guru guru, but I don't know.
Guru guru.
I mean, how do you not know? If you don't know, how are turkeys even in Germany? Does Germany have turkeys? Birds of Germany. There you go. Okay. Well, it's native to North America. I'm not sure how many turkeys are in Germany. It doesn't feel like there would be like turkeys there. It does. This is Birds of Germany wild turkey though. Guru.
Guru guru. No, that's what a dove.
A dove?
Dove makes guru.
We don't have a sound for dove, I think.
A dove? A guru. I've never heard a dove make any sound. Well, that was fun. Go check out, oh, it's lamb-like. Yeah, I like this channel. Go check this out. See, I'm subscribed. That's why I got this video. That was a very fun, you know, relaxing video. It didn't make my brain think too much. So that's sometimes nice. Some of these videos just blow my mind. So it's nice to just have some little animal noises. And I'm going to go make myself a nice super pretzel. Okay, come to the States if you want to. I'll make you a super pretzel. You just put some water on them and put some salt so that the salt sticks to it, and you put it in the microwave. Hey, that's the best we got. I'm thinking about making a video where I gather all the different pretzels like that I can find around, like from restaurants and stuff, and show them to you guys. I don't know. I just love pretzels. Maybe that would be super boring. I don't know, but I love pretzels. And then your guys is, look at this. This is what a German pretzel. It's crazy. This video had nothing to do with pretzels, so I don't know why I'm still talking about that. Have a fantastic day, guys. Thanks for all the comments and everything lately. It really means a lot. Subscribe if you feel like watching me react and learn more about Germany and stuff like that. Either way, thanks for watching, and goodbye.